Hello and welcome to OPC UA training. My name is Fabian, I'm one of the instructors here at OPC, and the idea is to explain you a little bit about the training, the 2 days training, and what we explain and all the practices we do in this along the 2 days training. The profile of the attendee is usually an engineer that creates or designs architectures using this new technology called OPC Unified Architecture. Also engineers making quotes including this kind of software, or operators or engineers who are going to be using or configuring this technology. So everyone needs to understand how this works in order to make things easier, faster and better. So in the day number 1, we're going to be doing theory and also many practices. For that we have all this hardware in here. We have a PLC from Siemens S7. So we can connect to this PLC in order to connect, disconnect and make all kind of practice. Also we have this other PLC. This is from Schneider, an M340. With this PLC we can connect using different protocols, for example Modbus or DMP3 or IC104. We are also using, for example, this embedded computer in here, where we have Linux and we have an OPC server embedded in here. So we also connect to this OPC server in order to make practices, and we also have this embedded hardware, where in this here in this CPU we have running an OPC UA server. So the idea is to make all kind of practice showing and doing troubleshooting in order to understand how this works. So in the first day we're getting into the review of the OPC technology, how it works, why it works, and more about the OPC UA specification, the difference between OPC Classic, OPC Unified Architecture, specification, the profiles, what is new in this technology. We're getting more and more into what is inside an OPC UA server, the difference between an OPC UA server and OPC Classic server, what new functionalities do we have and we can use since now. We are getting more into the UA communication, how an OPC UA server connects to a client, what new functionalities we have in there, what a client can expect connecting to an OPC UA server. In the second day, we are a little bit more into security, so we are going to be configuring digital certificates. We're going to understand how this works, what can we or can't we do with the digital certificates and the applications. Okay, so slowly the big vendors, they are including OPC UA clients and server into their solutions. So we're going to be working with them in order to have more experience connecting different clients to different servers and understanding how this works and what can we do with this. In the last day, we're also going to be working about the implementation of OPC clients and servers in order to simulate a real complex environment and understand how to make this work properly. So thank you very much for your attendance. Let me know if you have any question, send me an email, and I hope to see you soon in our next training.